here to help me out today. Today we're gonna do human ring toss from inner tubes and a pool. And if you don't have a pool, that's okay. You can even do it on land. Like, oh, I'm gonna throw it. And yeah, we're gonna say how we're Richard Dad the pool guy. So let's. And again, we're using inner tubes for this.
Yeah.
The person that's the ring cannot even move around to try to get it on. So that's today's daily challenge and Red Spirit Bros daily challenge.